Hello everyone, welcome to my New Gen Civil YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and please like this video and watch till the end. To Today we are going to download Microsoft Power BI desktop version. For that, initially we will search in Google Chrome or any browser you have. Just search it Power BI desktop version, and we'll go to the Microsoft official website, and we'll search for Microsoft Power BI. That is free version, and that is uh, desktop one. And we'll click on it, and then we'll click on the download button. And after clicking on the down button, we'll get a pop-up that is we have to download which version, that is 62-bit or 34-bit. The second one is 62-bit. So based on your PC specifications, you can download 32-bit or 64-bit. As my PC is 64-bit operating system, so I'll download the 64-bit. So I'll click on download. As we can see that the downloading has been started, so we'll wait for the file to get fully downloaded. So it's getting downloaded. As we can see, the file is fully downloaded. Now we'll click on install. Then as we can see, the installation has been started. We'll click on next button. Then we'll select the language. For now I have selected English. Then we'll click on agree to the terms and conditions. We'll agree to the terms and condition. We'll click on install. Now as we can see, it is getting installed. And we'll also click on that option to create the shortcut on the desktop, so that it will be easy for us to operate the app. And we'll click on install, and we'll select the file path in where we want to save the files. And then again we'll install the app. And at last what we'll do, at last we'll also select that option of like launching the app after it get installed, so it will be easy for us to check whether the app is are working properly or not. As we can see, the installation is going on. We'll wait for 2 minutes. The installation will be going on. It's getting installed. We'll have to wait patiently to get it installed. And then we'll click on the finish button. And as we chose the launch app option, uh, the app will get launched. And as you can see, the app has started working. So you can use the free version. So most of the tool are available in free version. You don't need to get any paid version. If you are using very advanced tool, then you need to get the paid version. Otherwise you can use the free option. So thank you for this, for watching the video till the end. Please like, share, and subscribe, because it takes a lot of effort to make this video, and I'll be very grateful for you.